Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today I want to show you guys some cool stuff I've been seeing everybody doing on ChatGPT. I'm seeing everybody doing like pictures and stuff like that. So I had to hop on it and I want to make a video of what I did. So if you come to ChatGPT, it's free, by the way. Like, you don't have to pay. Let me show you. Like, it's free. Like, you don't have to get the paid subscription and all that. Like, if you want to, you can, and if you do, you can generate and takes way more longer than you can. I think with the free subscription, you're gonna do like 3 pictures a day. I think that's what I heard someone said. But for this video, I'm just gonna show you the free version. So yeah, so what I be seeing that everybody doing is they been taking that picture of them. Let me scroll to the top. Alright, this is an ugly picture of me. So what they do is, like, you take a picture of yourself, right? And you put in a prompt saying like what I said, use this image to create a picture of action figure 12 from Bloodborne from PlayStation. From head to toe, you know. And I said put my name. And this is what it did. I mean, like I said, it looked like me, but it kinda don't. But still, this is pretty cool though. Like, all you gotta do is take a picture of yourself and just tell it to turn you to a toy, like from anything. So I said Bloodborne, and I said put my name. That's what it did. Got Bob the Vampire Hunter. Even though I know there ain't no Vampire Hunter in the game, I was just trying to do something different. But it's pretty cool though, man. It got me the outfit, you got the gun, you got the axe. It look like the axe from God of War. You got the knife right there, and you got the packaging right there. That's pretty dope. I like that. That's pretty dope. And I said, I think I did. Yeah, Grand Theft Auto. I said, can you do me Grand Theft Auto with a black hat, white tee, black cargo pant with some black and white Nikes? And that's what it did, you know. And I said it's some accessory from Grand Theft Auto 5, and that's what it turned out. I mean, you got the pistol right here, you got the little cash money, you got the little, I think that's an iPhone 1, I think. You got the Nikes, then you got the little machine gun to the side. And look, it even got my YouTube name right at the bottom. That's crazy. So yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Like I said, all you gotta do is just take a picture of yourself and just tell it what to do, and it would generate it. And this is what I did this morning. So, as you can see, Michael Myers. This is a picture I took. I was at work. I was bored. I was just goofing around. And well, at first I said, can you take this picture and turn it into a Dragon Ball Z style animation like the character Goku? And it was like a day or 2 days ago, and it's still loading, so I don't think it's working. And then this morning, this is what happened. Now, I don't think, you know what I'm saying, like, I guess the art style is like Dragon Ball Z, I guess, but they got my boy looking, they got me looking mad, like, yeah, but it's still pretty cool though. I like it. And then I said, can you, I said, can you turn me into a Super Saiyan? But he said it couldn't do that. The content policy, they said it couldn't do that. So I said, okay, cool. Okay, can you turn me into a Michael Myers from Halloween? And boom, this is what it did. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I like that. That's pretty cool. I mean, look at this picture. Right here, look at this one, and then that one. I mean, that's pretty dope. I like that. I'm a big Halloween fan. Like, I ain't got I got a Halloween mask and an outfit, but I don't got it with me. But yeah, man. I'm gonna see if I can do something different. So I'm gonna say, what can I say? I'm gonna say, can you turn me into? All right, guys. All right, so I'm back. So I tried a lot of creation and couldn't do it. So I said, can you turn me into a ninja robot? And this is what it did. And that's pretty cool. But the thing is, I said, can you turn me into Shredder from the Ninja Turtle? Couldn't do it, but look, don't they kind of look like Shredder from the Ninja Turtle? But anyway, that's pretty dope. I like that. I mean, Hey, that's fire. I can't do like that. That's fire. I like that. I'm gonna have to say that, yo. I think that might have to be one of my like profile pictures or something. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? I should have said like the color though. I should have said like red or. But I don't know. I still like that though. That's pretty cool. Well, yeah, like I said, these they do take like a minute or two or sometimes three. I said most like maybe 5 minutes. It depends. This one took like 2 minutes. But yeah, man. Hey, you can do this from your phone. I'm on my PC right now, but you can also do this from your phone, and you can save these pictures straight to your phone. That's pretty cool. So yeah, man, I would definitely recommend y'all trying Chat GPT. These picture generation is pretty cool. I think they had an update, and as you can see, this is dope. I mean, like I said, this is a picture of me I took at work on my job. I said I was bored. I just took it, and then I said, "Can you turn me into Dragon Ball Z art style?" They would have did. Turned me to Michael Myers, and now turned me to a robot ninja. So, and like these right here, GTA action figure toy, Bloodborne. I mean, this is pretty cool, y'all. So I would definitely say try this. You're gonna love it. And you can do anything, yo. Like I say, just anything you can imagine, it can do it. But I don't know why it couldn't do. I don't know Shredder from the Ninja Turtle, and I don't know why it couldn't do that. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video, man. Like, subscribe if you haven't. And y'all want me to see me do more video like this, let me know in the comments. And I will be uploading a game video today, so stay tuned for that. And until then, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.